Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 Mathematics Past Question, question 43. Ade, Shola, and Ayo shares 900 naira in the ratio of 2:3:7. How many does Ayo receive? A. 150 naira, B. 225 naira, C. 525 naira, and D. 625 naira. Ade, Shola, and Ayo shares 900 naira in the ratio 2:3:7. Now, Ade got what? Ade got 2, and Shola got 3, and Ayo got what? 7. Now when you add this together, when you sum this up, you have what? 2 plus 3, 5 plus 7 to give you 12. So the total of all this is 12. And like we know, ratio is just another way of expressing what? Fractions. Meaning that Ade here got what? 2/12 of 900 naira. Shola here got what? 3/12 of 900 naira, and Ayo here got what? 7/12 of 900 naira. Now we are asked to find what? The amount which Ayo receives, and since we know that Ayo receives what? The highest amount, which is what? 7/12 of 900 naira. So we say what? For Ayo is equals to what? 7/12 multiplied by 900. Now, like you know, when you're carrying out this kind of solution, you multiply the numerator by this, because this 900 is the same thing as saying what? 900 all over 1. So numerator will multiply numerator, and denominator will multiply denominator. So this will give us what? 7 times 900, which is 6,300, and denominator times denominator, which is 12 times 1 all over 12. And 600 divided by 12 will give us what? 525 naira. So therefore Ayo receives 525 naira. Now let's check the option. Option C here corresponds to our answer, 525 naira. A here says 150, B says 225, and D says 625, which are wrong. So C is our answer, 525 naira. So in the ratio 2:3:7, where Ayo has 7, and I told you that ratio is another way of expressing fraction, meaning that Ayo receives 7/12 of 900, and by finding this, we have that he receives what? 525 naira out of 900 naira. So C is our answer. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel to get more videos.